In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on voicemail on your Samsung or any Android you are using. Very simple and easy. So mostly you just move to your phone here and you go and do that. But now let's move to our settings because some people will be using Android. So when you open your settings like this, what you are going to do is you tap on the search here and you search voicemail here, and you should go and pull that. You should have that on your mobile phone. So now it takes me to the core settings. That's why I said we could have moved to phone straight away, but because some people will not be using Samsung, so we will have to move to the settings and do a general one. So we tap on voicemail here, automatically takes us there, and good. You can see this is your core settings, and you have your Wi-Fi calling and everything here. So this is your voicemail. Tap on that. Good, and you see the settings and everything here. So now to turn on our voicemail, what we are going to do is you see direct voicemail. Tap on direct voicemail, and you see mine has been turned on automatically. Yours should be turned off if you've not turned that on. So you turn it on like this. Good to go. And then auto send the voicemail. So when they call you and you don't pick up, they will have some 20 seconds to send you some message. Automatically it's going to be moved to, if they do that, it's going to be moved to your phone's voice recordings. You are going to see it there. So you see the person's name, maybe Michael, and then you hear the person's voice, something like that. Very, very simple. You don't need to do anything. You just to just turn it on. After you turn it on, when they call you, you'll get the option to, send you a voicemail. So to turn it off, same way, you just tap on this to turn it off, and that will be off. When they call you, there will not be no voicemail option for them. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.